So for our calculator technique solution, so ang gagawin lang natin pag hinihingi yung possible root ng polynomial is input muna natin guys yung given equation. So sa problem sinabi na x raised to 4, so plus 5x cubed plus 5x squared minus 5x plus 6. So first reset our calculator before doing any solving. So let's type our equation. So alpha x raised to 4 plus 5x cubed 5 alpha x cubed minus 5x squared, or plus 5x squared minus 5x minus 6. So pag kukunin natin guys yung possible root ng polynomial, lalo na kung may choices yung ating isosolve, is magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag natin trial and error. So iisa-isahin natin yung choices, letter A, letter B, letter C, and letter D. Unahin natin sa letter A kung kanino magzi-zero yung sagot kapag nag-calc tayo ng choices, is yun yung kanyang possible root. So let's try first letter A. So positive 3. Let's press calc. And then tatanungin ka ng value ng x, you type 3. Equal button mo. So hindi siya 0. So therefore letter A is not the answer. So 3 is not a root of this polynomial. So let's try letter B. Again, calc mo siya. Tapos yung letter B naman na 0. So and then press equal button. So negative 6. Therefore letter B is not also the answer. Let's try letter C. So calc. Type mo negative 2. Equal button mo. Lumabas ay 0. So therefore negative 2 is a possible root of our polynomial given. So letter C po ang sagot sa problem na to. Pag tinry mo siya sa letter D, so positive 4, calc mo lang din ulit, lalabas is 630. So ganun lang po kasimple mag-solve ng possible root ng polynomial pag hinihingi sa problem. Lalo na kung may choices, ang tawag doon na gagamitin is trial and error. Okay, so this is Engineer Jom Digia. Nawa nakatulong ang video na ito sa inyong pag-aaral ng Caltech. Maraming salamat sa panonood. God bless.